welcome to part 2 of this early September 2021 trip to the Monongahela National Forest. Well, you never know what you're going to find. I was on my way to where I thought I was going to stay tonight when I came across this. Nice fire ring down there by the water. There's the truck. Yeah, this'll do. Another fire ring right there. This has never happened before, where I've literally found something this nice. I think I'm actually going to take a dip in that water. So I had thought about trying to rig up a little shower, take a little shower, at least, rinse off a little bit. And then I found this. That water is so cold and so refreshing. I feel like a new person. And now I'm gonna set up a table and chair, footrest right here in the sun, and kick back and relax. Oh my goodness. Can't believe this. It's fantastic. Today really has to rank up there with one of my best truck camping days. Woke up at a great spot, explored a little bit, and then got on the trail and hiked. An amazing hike. All that is in part 1 of this 2-part series. Then I decided to go ahead and find a place to stay, and I had in my head where I wanted to go. And on the way to where I wanted to go, I found this amazing spot. I'm sure I've shown you some video of it. Had a nice dip in an ice cold creek, and cleaned off all the sweat and everything from the day. So I feel super refreshed and clean, and sat out in the sun and dried. Read my book, had a couple glasses of wine. I didn't actually cook a dinner tonight. I thought I would, but I've actually snacked heavily. I've had grapes and walnuts and crackers, just a variety of stuff, and I've still got some stuff here just in case I get hungry. But I just didn't feel like, just didn't feel it, so I didn't. And now I'm camped with the back of my bed open right now to the creek. Getting ready to tuck in for the night. Just doesn't get any better. I'll close things up when it gets flat out dark outside, but for now, when I can still see the water and enjoy it, I'm going to keep it open. And tomorrow brings a whole new set of adventures. Gonna try to do a few things, even though it's also a day that I have to drive home. Just a great day. It's absolutely fantastic. Morning. So it's fairly early yet. It's 6:30. Starting to get light out, and I've got a big day just because it's a travel home day, and trip home is gonna be, depending on where I start home from, probably about 5 to 6 hours. So trying to get a few things in before I head east back home. So first trail that I'm going to give a shot at, I think I'm going to go ahead and do, unless I can't get to it or anything, to the trailhead, is the Table Rock Trail, which leads to the Table Rock Overlook, which looks like it might be definitely worth it. It's a short hike. It's only like a little over 2 miles, and easy. No big climb or anything. So I think that'll be a good way to start the day. Warm up my legs a little bit, stretch them after what I did to them yesterday. It's like I sensed there might be a problem. So this is the road I'm supposed to take. Road blocked to all public motor vehicle use. Yep. Apparently that's not happening. This is try number 2 for the morning. Going to Blackwater Canyon Trail, which is supposed to lead to Douglas Falls. Yeah, Douglas Falls. So I've got a little bit of traveling on this road, and hopefully this one will work out. According to the informational sign that's near this spot, these are huge ovens that were used to turn coal into coke, which is used in steel manufacturing too. So these ovens burned off all the impurities in the coal, and I guess then produced the next stage of things to make steel. Kind of interesting. So that was something. So that's my first waterfall since I've been truck camping. And wow, what a doozy. I might put waterfalls on my list of things to go find, as well as mountaintops and secluded beaches. My list of places that make me happy is ever growing. So I think I found a way I studied the maps and the trail guide, and I think I found another way around to get to that trail that I tried to get to first thing this morning, but I got shut down because the road was closed. I think I figured out how to do it, maybe. So I am leaving the Waterfall trail, and I'm gonna try to do that. If it works, I'll get one more hike in before I head home. If not, I'll have to save it for another trip when I can plan better and actually get to the trailhead. So we'll see how things go. It's been a little bit of a challenge to get here. "10 miles of fire road and a short but very unexpectedly challenging hike due to the muck and mud. However, here we go. Up with the birds. Well, I can't think of a more perfect spot to wind this up. So beautiful. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you get out. I hope you get out and find your adventure, whatever that may look like. It's worth it.